Hey y'all, welcome back. We did it. We're here. We conquered. We came. We conquered. We are officially done with the back wall. I can't even believe it. It's been a literal nightmare. Here we go again. The torrential downpour. We're flapping in the wind. Flap, flap, flap. But look at this thing. I mean, just look at this thing. We got the fiberglass on. We put all the lights in. We got the window in. Can you believe it? We have a window. Again, got the ladder back up, trim around the edges, sealed to perfection. Well, not really sealed. We still have to seal it, but it's 95% of the way there. And we're just pumped because this means we can finally move inside to the flooring and the painting. So this week we've been purchasing everything for the interior, like our new flooring, primer, paint for the interior. Well, we still have to figure out what color we're gonna paint it. I think I'm gonna go with just like a warm white. A warm white paint, creamy white. Once those two things are done, the flooring and the paint on the walls, we're moving furniture in and we are hitting the road. Like, I can't even believe I'm saying that because it's been forever. So we're thrilled. There's still a lot of little detail-y things to do, but we are so close. There's a light at the end of the tunnel, and I just wanted to like share it all with you. So let's take a look. Still messy in here, but looking better. It actually looks a lot better when the slides are out. Just so big in here. Check out our new wall. Looks a little crazy with the screws, but
those are temporary.
They're temporary. We have liquid nails behind these plywood panels, so the idea is that at least these screws, which are like in the middle of the wall,
Liquid nails.
we'll pull those out. And then our new back wall. So basically all we have left to do wall-wise is insulate, get all of our electrical wiring pushed out through the holes, put up our plywood panel, cut out the window hole, reinstall the window, bip bim bop. And then it's time for the floor. We are so excited. We're finally ready to purchase our flooring, maybe even install the new flooring this week, maybe next week. I don't know, we'll see. But we're here at Floor and Decor. We're gonna shop around. We're looking for something affordable, economical, preferably waterproof, like a vinyl plank, which honestly, I'm not a huge fan of. Gotta be honest, I would never use a vinyl in like a residential project. I wouldn't use it in my house, just personal preference, because it feels a little plasticky, but I'm not judging anybody. You do you. It's great material for keeping things waterproof, keeping things in a tight budget, which we are definitely on. And I think that vinyl plank has come a long way in the last few years. Like, it is starting to look more like an engineered hardwood floor, depending on the brand, depending on, you know, how cheap you go. So let's go find our floors. Got a sample of this a couple weeks ago and brought it into the camper, and it looks really good. $219, not bad. Underlayment, we're not doing that. Okay, not as nice. It has more of a plastic look to it, don't you think? It's like a little more shiny. It looks a little cheaper for sure, but that's because it is cheaper. Look at this. $149 per square foot. So let's do the math. The first one we saw would be about $600 total. This would be closer to probably $400.
Better.
That's $200. This isn't as nice though. I don't like this color as much, but this isn't our forever home. Not that we're not planning on it being a forever home. I said videotape me.
I'm videotaping.
It's actually $139 per square foot. Look, we were looking at the wrong. So let's do the math. 139 times 250. 350, baby. This is the one, but we'll keep looking. They're also out of stock, so that could be a problem. So after doing the math, we think we need to stay under $2 a square foot. That's just where we're at in our life right now. So let's see what we can find under $2. Maybe even under $1. This is more like it. This is what we want, but this is a laminate, and I don't think laminate is what we want because we are going to be using this outside of our shower, in the bathroom, down by the kitchen sink, and I'm just afraid that laminate over time is going to puff up. It's water resistant.
We want waterproof, right?
But it's not waterproof. But the price is so good, I'm like, should we just say screw it? It also feels cheaper, like, don't you think?
Yeah, you can
It
tell.
definitely feels
It looks like a sticker.
cheap. But it does have like more of a mid-century modern look to it, which I really like the skinnier planks, the more narrow planks. It's like more 1950s and 60s vibe. Rude. So let's do the math and see what this one would be. Because I am still like, should we? 0.67 times 250. What do you think?
I can live with it.
It would probably take like 5 years for the floors to get puffy.
Yeah, we could just replace it.
Yeah, 5 years from now. Totally be replacing things on this camper.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, the price is speaking to me. But see, I think the cool thing about coming to a place like Floor and Decor is that you can get coordinating moldings, stair treads, and underlayment. So like your transitions between your spaces, or like the stair treads, because we have those 2 little steps leading up to the bathroom area, we'll be able to find matching, coordinating pieces. So that's a plus for Floor and Decor. Otherwise, hate this place. Okay. Please sponsor me.
Action.
How are my dark circles today?
Visible.
Aw,
Yeah, it's the you know
It's the
bad
down lighting.
It's the bad lighting in here.
You guys, I'm very well rested, just so you know. It's just genetics. Okay, we have some options for our stair treads. We could go, like, this is actually a pretty good match. It looks a little gray in here, but I think in the camper it'll look warmer, I'm hoping, because this is, I don't like gray. I don't want gray anywhere up in this camper. I want warmth. But, you know, we're working with vinyl, so this is a pretty good match. So we have the option to do like a, get the side profile. This is like, I guess this would just be a piece of the flooring with a little nosing piece. This is called nosing on the end of the stair tread. Or if we wanted to get really fancy, which I do, we could get this number. This situation is cleaner. I really don't want like seams like that. We will if we have to, but this is ideal, but that color is not right. Oh, additional colors available via special order. That sounds expensive. Let's see what we can find. Come to find out, these are quite expensive. Of course, the things we want are expensive. But like this one's $65 for one, but we'd probably have to get two of these. In which case, that would be, do some math on the screen. It'd be 130 bucks. No.
It's like a little bit less than a quarter of the cost of the whole flooring.
Yeah. Is it worth it? I don't think so. So, we gotta go with the what is it called? The nosing. The nose piercing. Damn it. Why is everything so expensive?
I don't know.
We might need a GoFundMe for this project, after all. We landed on a plank that we liked, but they didn't have it in stock in the store. They do, however, have it in stock at a store across town. So we're gonna bite the bullet, make the trip to Plano, and get our flooring. All right, day 2. We were gonna drive out to this other Floor and Decor yesterday, but the weather got a little sketchy with storms and everything. So we're back today. We've got the sugar pea. We're gonna go get our flooring. You heard what she said.
Okay, Mama. What we ended up purchasing. It's the Duralux waterproof luxury vinyl. It was the one that was $1.39. So we ended up paying around $460 total, because we also got this nosing piece, which will go, it will basically cap our stairs that will live right there eventually. We had to pull them out so that we could get all the carpet out, but yeah, with this piece of nosing and 8 boxes of the flooring, about 460 bucks, so not bad. Here's a little sneak peek of the flooring, nice and warm. I wanted it to be like a warm blonde, kind of Scandinavian. Honestly, this isn't like the ideal color, but it's close. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Well, y'all, it's been fun. So fun. Thank you for following along. If you're still here, bless you. Please subscribe if you haven't already.
Your support means everything to me. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Maybe we'll be on the road. I don't know. No, we won't be on the road, but we will be finishing all the finishing touches, because that's what finishing touches mean. It means that you're finishing. Y'all have a great day. Bye now.